Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Kia Soul. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.